guys, this is part 2 for forming the solving shaped equations with unknowns on both sides. It's tricky because it's tricky. There's a lot to think about. Can't see it being on a foundation paper, but you'd have to check with your teacher. So it asks us to find the values of A and B in the diagram below. So we need to find A and we need to find B. So as you can see, they're the same. So we're going to sort this one out. So it's A. 2a minus 5 equals 5a plus 7. Then I'm going to take the 2a over and it becomes a negative. So they're going to be 5a minus 2a, which gives us 3a. And then we've got minus 5. That goes over and it becomes negative 7. So we now have negative 12 equals 3a. We're going to divide it and our answer is negative 4. So we found our A. So next we're going to find our B. So we've got 8 minus 2b equals 2b plus 3. So we're going to take this over there and it becomes a plus. And then we're going to take the 3 over to the 8. It becomes a negative. So it becomes negative 3. So now we have 5 and we have 4b. So we now have to divide that 5 over the 4, which gives us, if you pop it in your calculator, 1.25. So we've got our A and our B. That's it. It's all right. I thought there was an extra bit to it. I'm used to substitute stuff in, but it's not. It's minus 4A and B equals 1.25. So the diagram below shows a kite. Find the values of X and Y. So we've got a kite. So we're going to do the same things. What can we do where they match? So we've got 2 angles in the middle. So let's work on these angles. So we have 3x plus 93 equals 148 minus 2x. I'm going to sort the numbers out first. So I've got 148 subtract 93, which gives us 55. And then we're going to do the letters. So I'm going to do 3x, take the 2x over, becomes plus. So I now have 55 and x. So I find out that x equals 55. It doesn't, because that adds up to 5. My mistake. Now divide it. So it's going to be 11. X equals 11. So I found my x. So now I'm going to substitute that 11 into my formulas. Well, they're not formulas. Our expressions to find out our angles. So I've got 3x. I'm going to put 3, 11 plus 93. So I've got 33 plus 93 equals 126. I'm going to do the other one. Even though they're the same either side, I always like to check my answer. So I'm going to do 148 minus 2 times 11 equals 148 minus 22. Also gives me 126. So there we have it. There's our angles, 126. Now, find the values of x and y. We haven't done y yet, have we? We haven't dealt with y. So one thing you need to know about this triangle, all angles in sides will equal 360 degrees. So let's just separate that. The next step is to add everything we've got, which is 126 plus 126 plus 32 degrees. And then we have 5y minus 11, and that all will come to 360 degrees. So all we've done is write down what we know. We know that's 126 degrees. We know that's 126 degrees. There's the 32, and there's our expression. So let's just do what we normally do. So that adds up to 252 plus 32 plus 5y minus 11. I'm doing it in lots of steps. If you had the calculator, you'd be able to do it quicker, but hey, I'm here to teach. So that's 284 minus 11 which equals 273. So now I have 5y equals 360, subtract 273, 5y equals 87. I'm going to divide it. Y equals 17.4. So that's a longer question, isn't it? That was a bit more to it. You'll get there. Hope it's helped. Bye.